In a major military operation, an officer of the Indian Army and 3 security personnel, including a constable of the Border Security Force or BSF, attained martyrdom in the line of duty in Kashmir on Sunday. The 3 security personnel were killed in a major anti-terror operation along the line of control or LOC in Jammu and Kashmir's Kupwara district. 3 terrorists were also gunned down in the anti-terror operation, which took place in the North Kashmir's Machil sector, army sources said. This is one of the biggest encounters in the Union Territory since April. Around 1 a.m., a patrol party of the Border Security Force noticed suspicious movements near the line of control and confronted the terrorists. A 3-hour gun battle ensued, and in that battle a terrorist was killed. 1 Border Security Force constable also died in the operation. Constable Sudeep Sarkar lost his life during the operation in Machil sector, said the Border Security Force. The gun battle ended around 4 a.m. as the army moved in reinforcements. Around 10:20 a.m. more terrorists were detected approximately 1.5 kilometers from the line of control, leading to a fresh gunfight in which an army officer and 2 Jawans died. Contact was re-established at 10:20 hours when heavy fire was drawn by own search parties approximately 1.5 km from the line of control. In the ensuing firefight, 2 more terrorists were killed. Own troops suffered 3 killed in action and 2 injured, Defense spokesperson Colonel Rajesh Kalia said. He added that the injured soldiers had been evacuated. According to sources, Pakistan is making desperate attempts to push in terrorists before the winter sets in and mountain passes are closed due to snowfall. A large number of terrorists are also waiting on the launching pads across the line of control, ready to sneak into the Indian territory. News Desk, Kaumudy English.